Hi folks, Von Fry here for another exciting unboxing video. Today we're taking a look at the Yeezy Boost 350 Turtledove 2022 re-release. Sit tight, I'm gonna unbox this.
Von Job Vlog.
What's going on? It's your boy Von Fry here with another exciting Yeezy Day unboxing. Well, actually, not another. This is my only win on Yeezy Day 2022. I got the Turtledove. I live in Kansas. I got this a week after everybody else. But we're going to go ahead and pretend that this was the world exclusive first look, all that other shit. Okay, let's just get down to this. Trying to keep my address out of here for reasons. But, you know what? I'm gonna, if you don't mind, I'm actually going to kind of open some of this away from the TV screen, away from what show is that? Away from the TV screen, away from. Oh, just got to peel one more thing here. My address is all over this, so sorry. FedEx, thanks for being late as hell. At least they handed it to me. UPS might not even ring the bell, I swear. Oh, but here we go. So, yes, I'm lifting this. Oh, shoot. Okay, so here we go. See, I'm taking it out of this. Like that. And we have some differences here between the 2015 original release. Now we have the now ubiquitous Yeezy box. Really the box you expect from all the 350s. Even though this is a V1. And yep, that's the size I was bequeathed, the 7.5. I wear a 10.5, probably even 11 when it comes to these, though I've ordered 10.5s. I know 10 was a little small for me on my first pair of the V2. There's no way my footsies are fitting into a 7.5, but why don't we just go ahead and take a look at these. And I'll pull one out for you. Yes, it's the slide box. Well, this one's got a tag on it. And here we go. That's the Turtledove. Let's just, all right. We have, okay, so, I almost feel like my foot could fit in that. Though, no way. It's very narrow. This is, it smells a lot better than the last 350 I ordered. You saw that video about a month back. Those 350s smelled horrendous. Seriously, the ones with the recycled knit, man, do they smell bad. Here, this is pretty cool. We've got the suede patch on the side. I know the criticism is these look like Allbirds. Allbirds wants to look like this. That's what it's about. I think one of the good things you have going here, the translucent white, kind of iced midsole slash outsole, they have some issues. They will yellow quite badly, and they can be repaired, but I think if you want to rock these, this is a better way to go. I think that the Turtledove pattern, it's iconic. It will go with a lot of different cool clothing. I wouldn't wear these in a dangerous neighborhood. People may assume they're fake, but, you know, knife you anyway. And I have heard that the strap back here now has more room. People are saying, I could put 2 fingers in there. My hands are tiny as hell, and I'm not getting 2 fingers in here. It's almost exactly like the 2015 version. I think that there's just a few discrepancies in the manufacturing process, and that's why you think they may be a little bit different, but really it's the same thing. We have tags here. various whatever. And yeah, I mean, what male's got a 7.5 foot? That Danny DeVito. I'm going to hold on to these, and I suggest you do also at least till Christmas time, because the prices are dropping by the day. No sense selling low, guys. Wait for this to get back in around 600. Seriously. It's going to be 500 by Christmas. All those TikTok stars, those girls are going to be wanting their Turtledoves. Trust me.
Thank you for watching my son's YouTube station. It's not for everyone, but he tries. Maybe if you bought some merch below, he'll eventually get good at the YouTubing.